Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a stamp and a signature into any PDF file completely free and super easy. First, make sure you already have your stamp image and your signature image saved on your computer. PNG format with a transparent background works best. If your image still has a background, don't worry, you can remove it using the steps from my previous video. I've added the link in the description below. Now open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, open the link provided in the description below. Once the website loads, drag and drop your PDF file into the upload area. When the menu appears, select Only Me. Next, click on the upload icon. Then, choose Upload Signature. Select your signature PNG file from your computer. Type your name when prompted and click Apply. Now, drag your signature into the correct place on your PDF. You can resize it and adjust the position until it looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the placement, click on Sign at the bottom right corner. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your document. Then click Download Edited PDF to save it to your computer. Open your Downloads folder and check the file. Your stamp and signature should now be perfectly added to the PDF. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a stamp and a signature into a PDF file. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.